So in this video, we are going to solve another example on construction of Puppet diagram and using FeO83 slash Fe3 plus system. Plot log Fe3 against pH and we should show the predominance area. So for the solution, we should first know that we need to balance this equation in the system. So balancing this equation, you know that FeO83 is going to give you Fe3 plus, and this is, we look at the number of moles of oxygen here, which is 3, and balance it to the other side with water, which is 3 moles of water, and then we add hydrogen ion to the other side. Hydrogen ion, in this case, we know that hydrogen here is 6, but here hydrogen we have 3 here already, so we are going to balance this with 3 so that it will make it balance. We have 6. Now let's check the ion. So that we just check, for us to check whether the system is balanced and the ions are balanced, we just go that here the charge of this becomes 0, the charge of this becomes 3, the charge of this becomes 3, and here becomes 0. That means that the system is balanced, right? Now, we knowing that the system is balanced, now we move on to the forward reaction. For the forward reaction condition, we know that we are using log K should be greater than or equal to log Q. In that case, we are going to find our Q, which in this case is a product, which is Fe3 plus dot water exponent 3 all over our FeOH3 close, then multiply by our H plus exponent 3. And we know that the activities of solid and liquid in this reaction becomes 1. So this becomes 1 and this becomes 1. So in that case, when we simplify it, we're going to get that our Q is equal to our Fe3 plus, then all over our hydrogen ion exponent 3. Then we are going to express this in the logarithmic form. So expressing this in logarithmic form, what we need to do is that our log Q will be now equal to our log Fe3 plus, then minus 3 log this hydrogen ion plus ion. So then after doing this, we've established that negative log of hydrogen ion is what? pH. So we are going to get that our log Q is equal to log Fe3 plus plus 3 pH. So we are going to do substitution, right? So therefore our log K will be greater or equal to our log Q, which is log Fe3 plus 3 pH. Then we are going to change, since we are plotting the Fe3 plus against the pH, then we are going to what? Make our log Fe3 plus the subject. And when making it that, we are going to send this one or this one here. So we are going to get that our log Fe3 plus will be what? Less than or equal to log K minus 3 pH. So in that case, let's rearrange it very well. Rearranging it very well, we will know that with the rearranging, we know that we're going to get our log Fe3 plus will be what? Less than or equal to 3 minus, that's minus 3 pH, then plus log P. So in that case, this becomes our constant and we have our pH. So as we, from the previous video, we talk about when we have this, how are you supposed to draw the Puppet diagram? Let's draw the Puppet diagram very correctly. This is a solubility diagram. For that, you first have your box, right? You have your box, and getting your box, this will be our what? Our pH, and this will be our what? Log Fe3 plus. So in that case, since this is what? The sign has changed to what? Backwards reaction. we will form more of the reactant. So we know that we will form more of the what? The reactant. And then we have our negative pH. That means our gradient is negative. Our line will move to this side. And then we are going to form more of the reactant. That means we are going to form FeOH3, then Fe3 plus. So this will be our Ube diagram, which is a solubility diagram. And then our the predominance area will be, this is the predominance area, yes, and this is our log Fe3 plus against our pH. Thank you very much for watching this video.